Hello, friends. Welcome back to Discuss in Class today. We'll be talking about Sarah, a 7-year-old who loves to draw and color. Sarah just got a new computer, and her teacher has asked her to create a digital drawing using MS Paint. Sarah is excited, but she's a little unsure how to start. Let's help her out. Sarah loves drawing, but she's new to using digital tools. She wants to know which tools to use to start her digital drawing. What do you think, class? Let's discuss. Alright, class. What tools should Sarah use to begin her digital drawing? I think she should use the pencil tool to start drawing. It's like using a real pencil. That's a great suggestion, Arya. The pencil tool is perfect for sketching outlines, just like using a regular pencil on paper. What other tool could she use?
Maybe the shape tool if she wants to draw shapes like circles or squares.
Excellent, Rohan. The shape tool is super helpful if Sarah wants to add perfect shapes to her drawing, like stars, circles, or rectangles. These tools will help her get started. Now, what can Sarah do if she makes a mistake while drawing digitally? She can use the eraser tool to erase the mistake. Exactly. The eraser tool works just like a real eraser. Sarah can easily remove any lines or colors she doesn't want. But is there another way to fix a mistake? Yes. She can use the undo button to go back and fix her mistake. Great answer, Kavita. The undo button is a magical way to quickly fix mistakes. With just one click, Sarah can go back and fix anything she doesn't like. Now it's time for Sarah to color her drawing. But what's the best way to add colors? What tool can Sarah use to easily color her drawings? Yes. She can use the undo button to go back and fix her mistake. That's right, Arya. The fill tool is a fantastic way to quickly add color to a shape. Sarah can just choose a color and click inside the shapes to fill them. Why do you think using the fill tool is so helpful?
It's faster than coloring with the pencil, and the colors stay inside the lines.
Exactly. The fill tool makes coloring fast and keeps everything neat and inside the lines. Sarah can experiment with different colors and make her drawing look bright and beautiful. Thanks for joining us today. Now that you know how to use these tools, why not try making your own digital drawings? See you next time and keep creating with your computer.